home kitchen. Today we'll be making a pasta summer salad. Boil our penne, salt the water, make sure it's salt like the sea. Okay, salt the water. Okay, also penne in. Roughly about a half a bag. Let's take 2 on the summer pasta salad. I deleted the first video. Oops. You want the pasta kind of al dente. It'll take about 10 to 12 minutes. Let's toss a touch of olive oil there. Let that boil, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the next step. Strain the pasta. We got it in 2 because I want to cool it down fast. So 2. Turn the fire off. Okay. Run cold water on it so it becomes cold. Okay. Make sure you try to get as much water as you can out of there. Okay. Into the bowl. Okay. Same with the other one. Rigatoni. I was kind of in a hurry at the store, so I got rigatoni, which is 25 gram pasta. Originally I wanted penne, but that's okay. This will work. Okay, try to drain as much of that water off as you can. Okay, into the bowl. Let's get started with our salad. Pretty simple salad, so if you have for the meat, if you have different things to use up, for instance, we had some pork to use up, so use that for pork. So if you do a barbecue one night and you have some meat left over, you can put that in your summer pasta salad. So this is pork. Doesn't necessarily have to be pork. It could be chicken, it could be beef, it could be anything you want to put in there. It's a nice protein. Okay. I would say if you have bacon, put bacon in there too. Don't have bacon right now, but a pork thing. Okay. Some yellow cherry tomatoes. Put that in there. Orange bell peppers. Toss some of those in there. Okay. Cucumbers. Lovely grapes. Toss some of those in there. Okay. Shaved carrot. Red onion. What the heck? Don't be shy with the onions. Okay. Now a little bit of ginger. 1,000 cloves of garlic. Okay. A little bit of cilantro. Lemon juice. Oh yeah. Try not to get any seeds in there. Sugar. Okay. Basil and mint from my herb garden, so put that in there. Okay. Yes, I'll have to give you a tour of the Beaumont's herb garden. Okay. Some pepper. Some sea salt. Okay. Peppercorn ranch. Mayo. Mayonnaise. Oh yes, different attire, but that's alright. I know the chef goes professional, but I was just picking herbs, so I came back, started filming, so all good. Parmesan cheese. Mix this up. Show you how we'll serve the salad up. We'll have to give it a try first. Serve it up. Lots of veggies in there. Give our summer pasta salad a try. Oh yeah, there's some pork in there. Perfect. Wow. Awesome summer salad. Take the salad here, bring it to the pool, picnic, a barbecue. It's all there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. See you next time.